Our home is also an astronomical object. This one was taken from Apollo 17. Amazingly enough, the first Earthrise witnessed by humans on Apollo 8 wasn't even planned to take this picture. One of the guys just goes, "Hey, look at that," and they took a picture. These pictures of the Earth and the Moon were taken from various spacecraft. The Moon is closer to the spacecraft Mariner 10 than the Earth is. These next three are from the Mars Global Surveyor on its way to Mars. First one is Earth, second one is Earth and the Moon, and the third one is the Earth and Jupiter. The Messenger spacecraft on its way to Mercury took this picture of the Earth and the Moon together. Artificial light lights up our man-made cities at night. I think I can see my house in this one. Notice the strands, those are the interstates. Light pollution is becoming a problem for us astronomers any place east of the Mississippi. This shows the various heights of various parts of the Earth. This picture is really the true colors of our planet Earth with the clouds removed. Not surprisingly, the population density map of Earth here closely matches the light pollution picture of Earth. Mercury, Mars, lots of the moons, and of course Earth all exhibit meteor impacts. Arizona crater here from memory, I think it's, 2 miles across, maybe 50,000 years old. The Chicxulub crater here in color is of course the ones that wiped out the dinosaurs 60 million years ago. The Manitowoc crater in Canada is 70 miles in diameter and 200 million years old. And the last one, I don't know where that's from. You better thank your lucky stars that the aurora exists. Without the Earth's magnetic field to protect us, the high-energy solar particles would destroy your DNA. The Earth's magnetic field channels these into the upper atmosphere around the poles. When the solar high-energy particles hit the atmosphere around the poles, it causes the air molecules to glow. These two are the aurora borealis from a spacecraft. Judging by the length of the tracks, this South Pole star trails looks to be about 22 hours long. These are also polar phenomenon. The last picture here is fireflies shown by the North Pole star. When there's a high temperature gradient in the Earth's atmosphere during sunset, you get what's called the green flash, and here also the blue flash. Another sunset phenomena is called the sun pillars. Sun halos are caused by ice crystals high in the atmosphere. Many of you may have seen taking a jet airplane ride called the glory shadow of your airplane. Every spring and fall equinox, the sun rises and sets directly in the east and west. This sunset phenomenon is just a shadow of a cloud, but after the sun sets and you get lots of clouds, they're called anti-perceptual rays. Iridescent clouds form where water droplets are all very tiny and the same size. This is the path of all recorded hurricanes on the Earth, and then the jet contrails over Georgia. Sandstorm blowing west into the Atlantic off of the Sahara, and we are all in the Midwest very familiar with lake effect snow blowing off of the Great Lakes. A waterspout is just a tornado over water. This is it over land with a pretty rainbow. Very pretty close-up picture of iridescent crystals of ice forming. We saw something similar to this when we were in Hawaii. It's the moon shadow of Mauna Kea with the moon rising. Next picture is the Himalayas from the International Space Station, and later on the view from the top of Mount Everest. The last 6 pictures about Earth are volcanoes. These first 3 are lightning caused by the ash rubbing against each other, building up static electric charge, and then discharging as lightning. The second to the last one is the volcano plume from Etna, and the last one is Iceland aurora with a volcano in Iceland.